Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I will be talking about my top three favorite clubs in Madrid. During a pandemic, of course, like we shouldn't go clubbing, but still, like I have some great memories in clubs in Madrid, and there's a great variety of music. So depending on what is the type of music you like, you'll definitely find your ideal club, to say it this way. So my third favorite club is called Capital. It's really cheap because you pay and you get 2 drinks included on your ticket. So I think it's worth it to go there. The music there, I really like it because it has a bit of everything. You have reggaeton, you have commercial music, and you have a bit of everything. And on top of that, I think Capi has 6 floors. And in each floor there's a different type of music with different DJs. So it's just really nice that in the same club you still have a variety of music. So if you don't like the music you're listening to in the first floor, you can just go to the second or to the third. So this is one of the things I love about this club. My second favorite club is called Black House. It is kinda in the middle of nowhere, so you need to go in an Uber 100%. But the place there is really nice. And the music there, I enjoyed. I had a great time when I went there. I didn't go there as much as I went to Capital, but because Capital, it's cheap and it's closer to where I live. But Black House, it was definitely worth going there. I feel it, the music there is really good, and the space there, the environment you get there is definitely worth you paying for, and it's definitely also worth it some Insta pics you might want to take. My top one and favorite club is Pacha. Some of you have watched Elite, and this is where they record some of the party moments in Teatro Barceló, and it's really nice. It is a big club, and you do have different floor as well, and it's huge, ginormous, and I don't know, the experience of being there, and it's just amazing. They do have a lot of reggaeton, and I love reggaeton, so for me it's really important that whenever I go to a club they put reggaeton. And in Pacha is just amazing. The music there, the environment. Some of my great and best clubbing memories are definitely at Pacha. But yeah, I mean, there's so many clubs that I still need to discover. So hopefully after COVID, I might be able to go. So yeah, thank you guys for listening.
Hey guys, I hope these last few weeks have been great. Mine were full of studying, but everything's fine. As some of you may know, I'm in 3rd year of audiovisual communication, and one of the biggest advices I can give you, even if you study a different degree, is to start enrolling in activities, clubs, or any other groups that you like, and you can find them both at the university or outside of it. It can be any club or activity you want, but I recommend to look for something that you want to continue doing or pursuing. Maybe something related to your career or something you see yourself doing in the future. And you can do that in your 1st year all the way until your last years of uni. Take me as an example. I started joining these clubs and activities this year. But I really think this is important because this will not only be a huge deal for your career, because what most companies and industries look for in a candidate is experience, but also for your own benefit, because you'll get to learn new things, meet other people, and find your true passion. This is also very important because if you're in a club or activity and the person in charge of it sees you're very interested and invested, he might count you in for future things such as internships, referring you to a company, and many other possibilities that'll help you succeed. Now, if you're wondering what I'm doing right now, I'm assistant to the director in a drama club called Atrezo, which is outside of the university, and I'm also part of the communications team, that is part of the logistics team in League Creative. And if you don't know what it is and you study at the University of Navarra, you'll hear more from us in the next few months because something amazing will happen in March 2022. So stay tuned, and yeah, that's it. Thanks.